Welcome to Rivets Stadium, the final game of this two-game series with the Rivets and the Wilmer Stingers coming up. But first, Brett Myers with the national anthem tonight.
Friends, tonight we honor members of our military, active and former fans. Please rise and give them a round of applause. If you are next to one, please thank them for their service. We also recognize the families on the home front who sacrificed the time with their loved ones so that those fathers, mothers, brothers, sisters, sons, and daughters can serve their country. Our national anthem singer tonight is Mary Ellen Spencer, the wife of an active duty member of the United States Air Force, Captain Greg Spencer. Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the field for the presentation of colors by VFW 9759 out of Loves Park. To honor America and those who proudly serve our country at home and overseas, our national anthem performed tonight by Mary Ellen Spencer.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Rivets and Stingers coming up in just a second, but we've got a little bit more for you before we give you the lineups for this afternoon's series and season series finale.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to seating behind the home plate area.
Hello, everyone. I'm down here with Mary Spencer and her three girls. We have Lily, Haley, and Louisa. We have a very special video message that we're going to play up on the board. So if everyone would you please direct your attention up there. We'll see what we got.
Hey Rivets fans, thanks for coming out for Military Appreciation Night. I want to especially say hi to my wife Mary Ellen, my daughters Haley, Lily, and Louisa, and wish them all the best. Wish I could be there. So, but right now I'm en route. I'm in Germany right now. So, but I'm there for you guys. I'm there in spirit. So thanks for all your support since January. I know it's been rough, but I love you girls. Go Rivets.
That was awesome. All right, we also have something else to present to you. We have a flag that just came in today. Has flown many missions over the Middle East. Like to bring that out for you guys. All right, guys, and then if you want to just turn around and face the crowd here, we'll ask you a couple of questions if that's all right. Right, so your husband, Greg, your guys' dad, he is deployed right now. How long has he been gone? Right, since January. All right, when do you guys expect him back? When's he going to be back here? All right, hopefully Thursday. Wow, that's so exciting. Do you guys miss him a lot? I'm sure. How is it hearing from him?
Very, very heartbreaking, but happy at the same time.
Yeah, I can imagine. All right, well, if your dad was here today, would you have anything you'd want to say to him? I'm sure you miss him very much, and you're excited for him to come home. It's very exciting. You guys want to turn around? We'll start walking off this way. Everyone, Captain Greg Spencer from the Air Force.